Hey, it's Joseph here. Avoid these 5 mistakes if you want the person that is watching your video on social media to stick there until the end. Let's get to it. Mistake number 1 is the meet and greet / welcoming. Now, every time you start a video, you have about 5 to 15 seconds to grab the viewer attention and tell them exactly what to expect. When you start your video with, hey everyone, what's up everybody, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel, my name is Joseph, blah blah blah. No. All of it is called white noise, and because we are so used to hear that all the time, easily as soon as somebody does it, we zone out and we don't pay attention anymore. So at the very beginning, in the first 10 to 15 seconds of your video, you want to share exactly what the viewer is going to get. For instance, when you click on this video, I told you that I have 5 mistakes that I'm about to share, and I'm telling you how to avoid them as well. This is called hook. Once you've done that, you can introduce yourself and you can share who you are and what you do. My name is Joseph Rubelli. I am a video and content marketing expert, and I help you to turn followers into clients. Point number 2 is not going to the point quick enough. Now, as much as your life might be interesting or my life might be interesting, surely the reason the person click on your video is not really because of you, but because of the solution that you are about to share. As a authority on what you do, you want to give them what they expect. I see this times and times again. People jump on Instagram stories, they jump on Reels, they jump on IGTV, and what happens here, they share what kind of solution they're about to provide, but they actually don't share the solution at all. They just go with, normal phrases such as how is your day, how is your week going. Now, this is great from a conversational point of view once you are meeting someone for coffee or once you are going live as a chit chat on a weekend if you want to kind of connect with your community. But once you share a video and you are saying on the title that you're about to share a solution to a specific problem, you need to give to the user the solution as quick as possible. Otherwise, they will swipe. Mistake number 3 is apologizing for your appearance. Now, we all have days where we don't look great. We all have days where we don't feel great. However, unfortunately, that's not the main reason why the person comes to your video. Unless you are doing a specific check-in community video where you are speaking to your audience. Once you are sharing a solution to a problem, your appearance doesn't really count. Plus, there is another huge point here. Once we share something about our appearance that we notice, 98% of the time, we are the only people that notice that. If I say that I have really bad hair day, probably it's because I seen that in the mirror, but that's not necessarily the reason or the particular thing that my audience is looking at the video. They come in here for my solution. A great tip that I can share with you is to shift your focus. Once you shift in the focus to your viewer, the pressure on yourself is going away because you are there to provide a solution, not for the way you look and not for the way you appear. Mistake number 4 is not looking directly to the lens. Now, I know it looks tempting, and I know every time you record the video, you easily want to look at the screen of your camera or the screen of your phone to ensure that you are in focus, that you are in the shot. However, from the viewer perspective, which is the person that is watching, this makes you feel really awkward. Why? Think about when you are in person with somebody and you are not looking directly into their eyes, but you're looking into her breast or into her shoes, or you're looking away somewhere. It's quite rude, right? It's exactly the same thing that happens on video. You are looking into the lens because that's the eye of your viewer. And as much as it sounds difficult, there is a little tip that I'm about to share with you, which is putting a little sticker or a sticky note next to the camera so that you are focused on looking just there. And that's the way for you to ensure that you actually looking to your viewer eyes. Mistake number 5 is not setting up the video properly. Now, the setup of your video, it's super important to ensure that the person will stick there until the end. You need to outline your video before you record it, and you want to structure it in a way that tells exactly what they expect when. For instance, when you click on this video, the title is avoid these mistakes on camera. And once you came here, I told you that there are 5 mistakes that I'm about to share, and if you want to know the solution to it, you have to watch this video until the end. So what does it say to you? You know why you're watching this video, what to expect and when, meaning that the person will feel more involved into the process of the video and they will stick there until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now it's your turn. Which one of these 5 mistakes you are struggling to avoid, or what is your pain point when it comes to video marketing? Let me know in the comments below. I cannot wait to jump into conversation with you and help you to overcome your fear. And if you like this video, you're more than welcome to subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram, where I share more tips daily, and it's a great community there where you have lots of service providers just like you looking for tips, and I cannot wait to connect. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you same time, same place next week.